Hello, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is June 17th, 2025, and we're diving into NZDUSD, looking at both the latest news and detailed chart analysis. First, let's take a look at the current events and news surrounding the New Zealand dollar and US dollar pair. Recent news indicates a slight decline in NZDUSD. Middle East tensions are contributing to a risk-off sentiment, impacting risk-perceived assets like the New Zealand dollar. The NZD has recovered some losses after conflict between Israel and Iran, according to reports. Let's move on to the chart data and see how these events are reflected. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see price movement over the last several months. We've seen the pair trading from around 0.56 back in January to 0.62 around September of last year, before dropping again. More recently, it has traded sideways in the 0.60 to 0.62 range, but had a big drop on June 7th. Zooming into the last few weeks, it appears like the price is attempting to recover from this drop. We should be aware of a possible resistance around 0.608 in the coming days. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can get a more detailed view of recent price action. We can see some support building around 0.600, with some wick rejections below that. It's important to note that intraday volatility might increase due to ongoing global uncertainty. For a short-term perspective, let's examine the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart shows more noise, but also recent consolidation just below 0.602. The next major support appears to be 0.600. If price does reach 0.608, the next level above that could be 0.615. Recapping, key price levels to watch are support at 0.600 and potential resistance near 0.608. If tensions ease, a bullish scenario might target 0.615. However, heightened risk aversion could push the price down to test lower supports. We give a 60% likelihood of a bullish recovery towards 0.608 in the short term, contingent on stable risk sentiment. A break below 0.600, about a 30% chance, would signal further bearish continuation. A full retest of the June 7th lows is less likely, maybe 10%, but not impossible. Keep an eye on news related to geopolitical stability and central bank policies, as these will likely influence NZDUSD.